So here 3 points are given. First one is 1, comma 1, comma 0. Second one is minus 2, comma 2, comma minus 1. And third one is 1, comma 2, comma 1. Okay, these are the 3 points. With the help of these 3 points, we have to find the equation of the plane passing through these 3 points. Okay, so if here in this formula, we have to substitute first point. Okay, so first you take let in the solution, let here P is equals to this point 1, comma 1, comma 0, and Q is equals to minus 2, comma 2, comma minus 1, and capital R is equals to 1, comma 2, comma 1. Okay, so now here the equation is this one. So the equation of plane passing through any point is that one. So you take that equation, that is x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equals to 0. You take this as equation 1. Okay. Now you write equation 1 passes through P. Okay, point P, that is 1, comma 1, comma 0. So if you substitute in place of that is x1, y1 and z1, 1, 1 and 0. So then you will get one equation, that is a into x minus x1, that is 1, plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 0 is equals to 0. So if you simplify this, ax plus by plus cz, this is minus a minus b, this is equals to 0. Okay. So you can simplify this one, or else x minus 1 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z equals to 0. Okay. You can simplify this one, or else you keep like this only. That is only this part only you keep like this. Plus b into y minus 1 plus cz equals to 0. Okay. Now you take this as equation 1. So this whatever the formula we have taken here, in that formula, first point it is passing through that one. So you will get x, that is these are x1, this is y1, this is z1. Okay. So when you substitute here, you are getting this equation. So this whatever equation 2 is there, it is passing through the point Q and R. Okay. So now equation 2 passes through Q and R if Q and R, if, so in place of this x, y, z, you substitute the value minus 2, 2 and minus 1. So then you will get one equation, that is in place of x, y, z. If you substitute the point here q, minus 2, 2, minus 1. And also in second time, you have to substitute 1, 2, minus 1. So you will get it as a into, this is x, y, z. This is x, y, z. Okay. So that is minus 2, minus 1. Plus b into what is y value? Y value is 2, 2 minus 1 plus c into z value is minus 1 equals to 0. So if you simplify this one, minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3a, 2 minus 1 is 1. So b, this is minus c equals to 0. This is second equation. No? This is third one. Now same, here we have written equation 2 passes through q and r. This is for q. Next one you have to do for r. So if you do for R, so one more is A into, in second equation only. So A into here 1 minus 1. Okay. Plus B into next one is 2. So 2 minus 1 plus C into Z. Z value is 1 here. So you'll get 1 minus 1. So 0, A into 0 here. Plus B into 2 minus 1. 1. So plus B plus C is equals to 0. Okay. This is fourth equation. So now we need to find A, B, C values, and if you substitute in equation 1, sorry, in equation 2, then you will get the equation of the plane. Okay. So solving 3 and 4, solving 3 and 4 by cross multiplication method will be there, no? By cross multiplication method. So we get A, B, C values. So in cross multiplication method, we'll write first B, C values and then A value. Then again we'll repeat the A value. Sorry, B value. Okay. So here in equation 3, B value, that is B quotient is 1, C quotient is -1. So 1 -1, A quotient is -3. Again B, we have to repeat it. So here 1, here B value is 1, that is B quotient, C quotient is 1 and A quotient is 0, and again if you take the B, it is 1. Okay. So then if you do the cross multiplication of this, here you will get A value, here you will get B value, here you will get C value. Okay. So if you simplify that, so it is A divided by 1 into 1. It is 1. It is 1 into -1 is -1. Again -1. So +1 you will get. It is equals to B by 1 into 0 means it is 0. 1 into -3 is -3. Minus of minus is +3. And it is equals to C by 1 into -3 is -3. 0 into 1 is 0. So this is the value. Now if you take here A by 2, B by 3, C by -3. So therefore here ABC values are 2, that is A equals to 2, B equals to 3 and C equals to -3. So therefore A equals to 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to -3. Okay, these are the values. Now substitute A comma B comma C in equation 2. Okay. So if you substitute in equation 2, what is A? A is 2. 2 into x minus 1 plus B value is 3. 3 into y minus 1 plus C value is -3. Next into Z equals to 0. If you simplify this, so it is 2x, 2 into x, 2x plus here 3y minus 3z, and here it is -2. Here is this -3 equals to 0. That is 2x plus 3y minus 3z minus 5 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the plane passing through the points. 3 points are given. You can write here is the equation of the plane passing through the given points. Okay. So your first thing is you have to write the formula, whatever the formula is there, that is A into x minus x1 plus B into y minus y1 plus C into z minus z1 equals to 0. That is the formula for finding the equation of the plane when points are given. Okay. So first you 3 points are given. You take them as a P, Q, R as a 3 points. So in that equation 1, you substitute the P point which is passing through that. So when you substitute that, you will get the second equation. In the second equation, you take the 2 points, whatever the other 2 points are there, Q and R. If they pass through the second equation, you will get 2 more equations. That is the third equation and fourth equation. When you solve these 3 and 4 equations with the help of the cross multiplication method, you will get A, B, C values. So when you will get the A, B, C values, you substitute in the equation 2. When you substitute in the equation 2 and when you do the simplification, you will get the equation of the plane, required equation, which is passing through the given 3 points. Okay. So this is the procedure for finding the equation of the plane passing through the points. So this, whatever the topic is there and whatever the formula you have, this is the important for solving even other problems also. Okay. So this is one concept for 5 marks. So regularly asked in the examination. And next one is the reducing the given equation of a plane into normal form. This is one of the important topic in unit 2. So second one is reduce the equation. Two x minus 6y equals to 0 of a plane into normal form. Okay, this whatever the formula is there for this one and whatever the procedure is there that we have seen in the last week. So for this first it is the general equation means it is in the form of ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. Okay. So the general equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. Okay. So given equation is 2x minus 6y plus 3z minus 21 equals to 0. Okay. So if you want, you can take it as 1. Okay. Compare with 1. So what we will get? A value is 2. B value is equals to minus 6. C value is equals to 3. D value is equals to minus 21, which is less than 0. Okay. So when you are comparing with the general equation, you are getting A, B, C values and D value is the negative. So it is less than 0. I have told the formula for when it is less than 0 and also when it is greater than 0 D value. Okay. Slight change will be there for that one. So A, B, C, D values we know. Now we will find the L, M, N values. So L value is that is A by root of A square plus B square plus C value. M value is B by root of that is sigma A square, and also N value is C value divided by root of sigma A square values. Okay. So with that we can find the values here. So L is equals to, we know, A by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So here A value is 2. 2 by root of A square means 2 square is 4 plus minus 6 square means is 6 is 36 plus 3 square is 9. I am writing directly. Okay. So it is equals to 2 by root of 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 plus 4 is 49. So 49 root is 7. So 2 by 7 value. So we got L value as 2 by 7. Whatever in the denominator is there, it is same for all M and N also. So directly we can write that one. Similarly, we can write M value is equals to B by no. So B value is minus 6 by, it is 7. And N is equals to 3 by 7. Okay. So these are the values of L, M and N values. So the normal form of a equation is, the normal form of given equation is, or you can write given plane. So we know that formula, it is Lx plus My plus Mz is equals to P. This is the normal form. Here we substitute L value. What is L? L is 2 by 7x and M value is minus 6 by 7y plus 3 by 7 into Z is equals to P. We need to find P value. No? What is P here? So P is equals to minus D. If it is negative, it is less than 0, no? Then the formula is minus D by root of sigma A square. So here minus d. Already what is our d value? D value is minus 21. So minus of minus 21 by sigma, root of sigma a square value is 7. So you'll get it as that is plus, both the minus are there. So it will become plus value. So 21 by 7 means 7 3s are. So p value is here 3. So here if we substitute p value, it is equals to 3. Okay. So now we got the normal form of the given plane as 2 by 7 into x minus 6 by 7 into y plus 3 by 7 into z equals to 3. So if you get here d value as a positive, here you will get the only d by under root of sigma a square. Okay. So that is a slight change for if you have the negative value and also positive value. Just here the formula will be different. So regarding whatever it is there, with the help of the formula, we can find the given equation of the plane. We can convert the given equation of the plane into normal form. Okay. So this is the procedure. Try to remember the formulas of L, M, N and also P. Okay. If you know them directly, if you substitute in the formula, we'll get the answer. So this is also one of the important problem for 5 marks in second unit. Next year, one more formula you have for finding the length of perpendicular from the point x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0 is, that is plus or minus a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c into z1 plus d divided by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. So on this, you have the example problem is also there in your textbook. So try to practice that. Problems in check your progress are also there, and also even example problems are also there. And next one more important topic in second unit is finding the equation of a plane through the point and parallel to the plane. Okay, this is above one is about the perpendicular and next one is about the parallel. If a point is equation of the plane through the point and also parallel to the plane. So this is also one of the 5 marks question we have. Find the equation of the plane through the point Here point is 2, 3, 4 and parallel to the plane 5x minus 6y plus 7z equals to 3. Okay, this is the plane. So we have to find the equation of the plane which is passing through the point and parallel to the given one plane equation. Okay. So for this solution, first the formula for finding this one is the equation of any plane parallel to the plane is the equation of the plane any plane, right? Any plane parallel to plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus lambda equals to 0. Okay. This is the formula for finding the whenever any equation of a plane is parallel to Another plane will take in place of lambda, will take in place of d, will take the lambda, and we have to find the lambda value. And if we substitute in this, then we'll get the equation of the plane parallel to the given plane. Okay. So any plane parallel to the given plane. What is our given plane? It is 5x minus 6y plus 7z minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Is 5x minus 6y plus 7z plus lambda equals to 0. Okay. This you can take it as equation 1. Now here one point is there which is passing through the given plane. So here whatever this point is there, this point is passing through this one parallel plane. Where if you substitute that point as x, y, z values in 1, then we'll get the lambda value. Okay. The plane 1 passes through 2, 3, 4 if so the plane 1 passes through the point 2, 3, 4 if that is f 5 into x value is 2 here minus 6 into 3 plus 7 into 4 plus lambda is equals to 0. Okay. Now 5 2s are 10, 6 3s are 18, 7 4s are 28 plus lambda equals to 0. So minus 18 here plus 28 is there. So we'll get plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 20. Implies lambda is equals to minus 20. Okay. Now substitute lambda in equation 1. Substitute lambda in 1. Then we get that is 5x minus 6y plus 7z. Lambda is minus 20 equals to 0. Okay. This is the required plane which is parallel to the given plane. Parallel to given plane. Okay, this is the procedure for finding the equation of a plane passing through one point and parallel to the plane. So first you take, if you remember this one, any plane parallel to the given plane will be instead of d, you have to substitute that is lambda. And if you substitute both lines are parallel means A, B, C values will be same in two lines. Only here the D value will be different in those two parallel lines. So we need to find here only the lambda value. Here whatever D value and here whatever D value is there, those two values will be different. Okay. So one point is there, you write in place of x, y, z value that point, then we'll get the lambda value. If you substitute that lambda value in 1, then we'll get the equation, required plane equation, which is parallel to given plane. Okay. So these are the important topics in second unit. So in second unit, so perpendicular distance, it is in 46 page number. So angle between the two planes, example problem you have, and also check your progress also you have the problem. So length of the perpendicular also it is there in page number 55. So worked out exercise are there. 2.6. Okay, you can see these are all example problems. If you in second unit almost you'll get only one 5 marks question you will get from here, but here exercise and example problems are important. Okay, this is about unit 2. Next, if you'll see the unit 3, it is the bisectors of the angles between two planes and two sides of a plane. So in unit 3 you'll get the 10 marks question, 10 marks question you will get regarding of the bisectors of the angles between the planes. So for this, first formula is two planes will be given. That is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. And another plane is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equals to 0. For this, the bisectors of the angle will be formula you have in 67 page number. Okay. With the help of that, in this also, you have example problems 3.2.1, 3.2.2, and even check your progress. So many example problems are there. This is one of the important topic for 10 marks in section A. Section B you will get. Okay. That is 9th B question you will get from this one. Unit 3. So if you remember the formula, you can solve the problem. Bisectors of the angles between the two planes. Bisectors of the angles between two planes. That is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0, comma a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equals to 0. Okay. So that is ax plus by plus cz plus d divided by under root of a square plus b square plus c square is equals to plus or minus a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. Okay. This is the formula for finding the bisectors of angle between the two given planes. So if you remember this formula, you can solve this one. And somewhat it is quite, in the first unit, we have seen the 10 marks questions. So here, if you know this formula, just after substituting the two given planes in this, and after getting these two, once you have to do the addition, one equation you will get. When you do the subtraction, you will get the second equation you will get. So given two plane equations are first two equations. With the help of this, you will get two more equations. That is 4 plane equations you will get. From any of these two equations, if you will find the angle between the planes, then you may get acute angle or you may get the obtuse angle. So that is a procedure for finding this problem. Okay. So we'll
Good
see.
morning, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon, ma. So that is a procedure for finding the this problem. Okay. So first two given equations will be there in the given question. We have to find with the help of this formula two more equations. Then you will get 4 equations. From that, first two equations are 1 and 2. Next two equations are third and fourth equation. 1 and 3 are 2 and 4. With the help of that, you have to find the angle. Okay. So if you find the angle with the help of that, that is the procedure for finding this problem. And this is for 10 marks question. Okay. So one problem we'll see. That is find the bisector of the, in the given question, sometimes they'll mention that it is obtuse angle or acute angle, or directly they'll ask to find the angle itself. Okay. So it is find the, in some problems, both the even acute angle and obtuse angle also, they will ask in the question. Okay. So find the bisector of the obtuse angle between the planes. So first plane is 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 1 equals to 0. Next one is 5x plus 12y minus 13z equals to 0. Okay. These are the two given planes. With the help of that, we have to find which plane is making the obtuse angle with the given planes. Okay. So the given planes are, so 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 1 equals to 0. You take it as equation 1. Okay. Next 5x plus 12y minus 13z equals to 0. This is the second equation. Now with the help of this, to substitute these two in this formula. If you do with the help of that, you will get two more equations. The equations of plane, the equations of plane bisecting the angle between the given planes okay, between the given planes 1 and 2. So in place of this formula, you substitute these two planes. That is, it is 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 1 divided by under root of a square. A is 3 square plus 4 square minus 5 square. Okay. Is equals to plus or minus. Second plane is 5x plus 12y minus 13z by under root of 5 square plus 12 square plus minus 13 square. Okay. Numerator will be same like that. Only denominator we have to make the simplification. That is 3 square is 9 here. Plus 4 square is 16. Plus 5 square is 25. Okay. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 25 means this will be 50. Okay. And here 5 square is 25 plus 12 square is 144 plus 13 square is 169. So if you add 144 plus 25 means it is 169. 169 plus 169 you will get. So 169, 169 means 9, 9, 18, 1, 6, 6, 12, 13, 3, 1, 2, 3, 338 you will get. Okay. This is 50. 50 we can write it as 25 into 2, no? This is 25 into 2. So 5 root, if you take outside, you will get this as 5 root 2. Okay, just I am doing the simplification here only. Whatever the last resultant we will get, we'll write there. Okay. So 50 we can write it as, that is 25 into 5. If you take that 25, that is 5 square, no? If you take outside, this is 5 root 2. Here also 169 plus 169. So 169 plus 169 means 13 square is 169, no? 13 you can take outside. So 169 into 2 times we are taking. So 13, we'll get it as 13 into root 2. Okay. 13 square is 169. If you take inside 169 into 2. Okay. So whatever in the denominator is there, this part we are writing it as 13 root 2. This part we are writing it as 5 root 2. You can write this at the side. Whatever the simplification we have written. Don't write in the solution itself, okay? So it is 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 1 by 5 root 2. It is equals to plus or minus 5x plus 12y minus 13z by it is 13 root 2. So root 2 will get cancelled on both sides. Now you do the cross multiplication. So that is 13 into 3x plus 4y minus 5z. 5z plus 1 is equals to plus or minus 5 into 5x plus 12y minus 13z. Okay, if you multiply this one, 33 is a 39x plus 13 4s are 52, 52y minus 13 5s are 65, z plus 13 is equals to plus r minus 5 5s are 25x plus 12 5s are 60y minus 13 5s are 65z. Okay, so by doing the simplification, we'll get like that. Now, these two equations, first time you add and second time, if you do the subtraction, you'll get two more equations. When you add this one, 39x plus 52y minus 65z plus 13 plus 25x plus 60y minus 65z. Okay. So 39 plus 25 means how much we'll get? 64 you will get. Okay, 64x plus 52, 60, 112, 112y minus 65z minus 65z. So it is minus 130z. So here only one constant term is there, plus 13 equals to 0. Okay, this is 1, 2 equations completed. Now this is the third equation. Now when you subtract them, 39x plus 52y minus 65z plus 13 minus 25x minus 60y and minus of minus is plus 65z equals to. Then when you do the subtraction, x minus 25x means you'll get 14x plus 52y minus, so you'll get minus no, minus 8y and minus 65z plus 65z both will get cancelled. Next one is constant plus 13 equals to 0. This is the equation 4. Okay. Either with the 1 and 3 or 2 and 4, you can find the angle between the two planes. Okay. If theta is the angle between that is, if you'll take theta is the angle between 14 into which equation? So 1 and 4 also you can take. First equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 1. Any two, first two equations and whatever the equations we got from that 1 and 3 or 1 and 4 or 2 and 3 or 2 and 4. With the help of that, we can find the angle between them. So if theta is the angle between, if theta is the angle between planes 1 and 4. Okay. So in the question he is asking to find the obtuse angle. So that means you should be whatever the tan theta value is cos theta we have formula. I have told cos theta formula, sin theta formula and also tan theta formula. So with the help of that you have to find the theta value. If it is greater than 1, then the angle is obtuse angle. If you get the theta value as less than 1, then it is the acute angle. Okay. Angle between the planes 1 and 4. So first plane equation is 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 1 equals to 0. And cos theta formula is a into a1 plus b into b1 plus c into c1 by under root of a square plus b square plus c square under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. Okay. So if we'll do with the help of that, first equation is 3x. Here we have no 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 1. That is I am writing 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 1 into, here it is 14x minus 8y plus 13 equals to 0. Here also it is equals to 0. Okay, these two are the planes. Now formula is cos theta is equals to A into A1. That is 3 into 14 or 14 into 3. Here plus is there, minus, plus is there and here minus is there. 4 into 8. Now here Z value is not there. That means it is 0, no? So you will not get that is minus 5 into 0. So that value is 0. Only X values and also Y values we are getting. So by under root of A square, B square, C square. That is 3 square is 9. 4 is 16. This is 25 into root of 14 whole square plus minus 8 whole square. Here Z value is not there. Okay. So only C, that is C value is not there. So only 14 square plus minus 8 square. So 14 threes are means how much you will get? 3 fours are 12, 1. 14 threes are 42, no? 42 minus 4 is a 32 by, this is 5 root 2. Just now we have done, no? And 14 square means 14 square plus 8 square. 8 square is 64. So if you add both of them, you'll get it as root of 260. Fourteen square means you will get 196. So 196 plus 64. So 196 plus 64 means it is 260. That is root 260 you will get. And this is 10. 10 by 5 root 2. 25 plus 25. So 5 root 2 you will get. And 260 for this 2 root 65 you will get. 65 into 4. 65 into 4 means 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24, 25, 26. So it is 260. So we can write it as 2 root 65. Okay. So 5 twos are 10. So 1 by, so this 5 twos are 10 and about 10 is there. So 1 by root 2 into 65. 65 into root 2. 2 is 10, 6 twos are 12, 30. 130 you will get. Root 130. Okay. So with the help of the calculators, you see what is the value of root 130. And by dividing that, you will get some value. Whatever the value you are getting, that value you take it as cos theta. So, and then you substitute in the sin theta. Sin theta is root of, we know the formula, no? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. With the help of that, if you find cos theta, it is equals to under root of 1 minus sin square theta you will get. Okay. So from here, we need sin theta. No? So it is, already we know cos theta value. So we need sin theta. So sin theta equals to root of 1 minus cos square theta. So from here, you will get the cos value. If you substitute in this, you will get the sin theta value. And after that, if you take the tan theta means 1 by, that is sin theta by cos theta. After the procedure, you will get sin theta value and also cos theta value. So you will get the sin theta value that will be the greater than 1. Then you can tell that whatever the plane, this plane is there, no? 14x minus 8y plus 13 equals to 0 is the plane which is making the obtuse angle. Okay. So this is the procedure. So next, if you'll take sin theta is equals to 1 by root 30 we got, no? So 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta means 1 by 130. So root of 130 minus 1 by 130. So it is 129. Root of 129 by 130. This is the sin theta value. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is a root of, or else you can separate these roots. That is root 29 by 130 by 1 by root 130. If you substitute this. So then if you interchange that, it is root 130 by 1. So if you both will get cancelled, you will get root 129. Root 129, any formula will get a 4, 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So it will not go. So if you check the root 129 value, 121 means you will get 11. Okay. So this value will be greater than 1. So if you take the near square root of this one, 121 no. So 121 means it is 11 square. So almost whatever the value you are getting the value as greater than 1. So this is making the obtuse angle. So therefore, that is equation, this is 1 no, 1 and 4. 1 is the first equation we have taken and 4 is the this equation. Or you can write like this. The plane, what is the plane? 14x minus 8y plus 13 equals to 0 bisects the obtuse angle. Okay, if you get here any negative value or if you get 0 point something, that value will be less than 0, and whatever with the help of whatever the plane we have done, that plane makes the acute angle. If you get here the value less than 1. So we are getting here greater than 1. Therefore, it is making the obtuse angle. Even you can check second and third equations. You can see whether they are making obtuse or acute angle with the help of the same procedure. Okay. So in your textbook, you have many example problems are there, and also exercise also problems are there, and MEQ questions. This whatever the problem I have told, this is the MEQ question, and example and exercise problems you can see from the textbook. So in this only one more topic is there, which is about the two sides of a plane. This is also a question. Sometimes they will ask for the 5 marks question. So two sides of a plane means whether they are on the same side or they are on the opposite side. That question will be asked. So for this also, one formula is there in your textbook. That is two sides of a plane. So 2 points will be given. These 2 points lie on the given plane. With the help of that, when you substitute 1 point in the given plane, if you are getting the whatever the value you are getting greater than 0 or less than 0, it depends on that. If you get the same, both the points lie on the plane, you may get greater than 0, then they lie on the same side. If you get the one is greater than 0 and one is less than 0, then the given points lie on the opposite side. Okay, this is the concept of two sides of a plane. So two sides of a plane. Okay. An example problem is show that the points 2, 3, 5 and 0, 4, minus 7 lie on the opposite sides of the plane. The plane is x plus 2y plus 2z minus 9 equals to 0. Okay. So solution is, the given plane is so you take it as equation 1. So the point, first point is the point 2 comma 3 comma 5 lie on 1. That is, in place of x, y, z, we have to substitute these values. That is, x is 2 plus 2y, no? 2 into 3 plus 2z, 2 into 5 minus 9. This value is 2, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10 minus 9. So what you will get? 10, 16, 18. 18 minus 9 means 9. This value is greater than 0. Next, the point. What is the second point? 0, comma 4, comma minus 7. Lie on 1. So that is, first one is 0 plus 2 into 4 plus 2 into minus 7 minus 9. 2 4s are 8. 7 2s are 14 minus 9. Negative value you will get. So minus 9, 8 means minus 1. It is minus 15, which is less than 0. So here we got it is greater than positive value, which is greater than 0, negative value, which is less than 0. So one is positive, one is negative. So the given 2 points lie on the opposite sides of the given plane. If you will get a greater than 0, this is also greater than 0 or less than 0 or less than 0, then they lie on the same side of the plane. Okay. Therefore, the given points lie on the opposite side of the plane. Okay. In 3D, compulsory writing the sentences is very important. Direct answer you have to not, you should not write. Okay. Whatever the given plane is there, you write that plane and you take that as a equation 1, and all the steps, whatever it is there, compulsory. If any small problem is there, you elaborate that one. So regarding of the marks, if it is a 5 marks question, you try to write at least 5 to 6 lines with the help of the given, whatever the problem is there. 10 marks question also, don't write directly answers. So try to write the equations, mention the equations, or if any formulas are there for that problem, try to mention even that problem. Then you will get the full marks. So 10 marks question, no, you even for 20 marks also like that, only same procedure. Compulsory write the formulas and put the equations and write the sentences. And at the last also, you write the conclusion also you write. Okay. Then you can score the good marks in the 3D. Or even any, that is any semester also, same procedure you have to write. Oh, don't do the direct problems. Okay. So in this last topic is about the joint equation of two planes. And also this pair of planes is there, no? This is also one of the important topic in this. Oh, that is in page number. See, in page number 72, two sides of a plane is there. This is one of the concept you have. Next, joint equation of two planes. Page number 74. So this theorem, whatever it is there, 75 page number, this theorem is important. On this, you will get the example problems. That is the equation ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2fyz plus 2gzx plus 2hxy equals to 0 represent a pair of planes passing through the origin if and only if this one and these three conditions. So the given equation will be in the form of first equation. You have to convert that in the form of second one. And three conditions are there, no? F square greater than or equals to BC. And also G square greater than or equals to AC, H square greater than or equals to AB. These three conditions it should satisfy. Then we'll say that given plane or whatever the equation is there, that represents a pair of planes. On this example problems also you have. And for this only, even they ask the angle also. in page number 78, you have, if theta is angle between the pair of planes, then what is the formula here? The formula cos theta is equals to plus or minus a plus b plus c under root of a plus b plus c whole square plus 4 into f square plus g square plus h square minus ab minus bc minus ca. 78 page number. So combining of these two concepts, they will ask in the examination. So this is also important topic in unit 3. And even exercise problems are there. Here, one more is there. Finding the area of the triangle and volume of tetrahedron. So these two topics are also important in third unit. So one problem is that is bisectors is the 10 marks question, and you may have the chance of getting even these three concepts. First one is the two sides of a plane. Second one is the represent a pair of a plane and also find the angle between them. And third concept is finding the area of the triangle. And fourth one is finding the volume of the tetrahedron. So these are the topics in third unit. So if you see the example problems in page number 81, you have. So this is the important, and page number 83, finding the area of the triangle. This one. And page number 85, you have the volume of tetrahedron. These are the concept important here. So pair of, this is a very lengthy problem. If we have time, we'll see in the next class. So we'll see small one, that is volume of tetrahedron. Already time it is completed, it is 2:30. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Volume of tetrahedron formula is there. That is V is equals to 1 by 6. Determinant of x1, y1, z1, 1. So if you substitute the given points in this and if you find the volume, then you will get the answer. Okay. So these topics we have covered in the block 1. 3 units we have completed almost. So in next class, we'll see volume of tetrahedron, area of the triangle, these two form problems. Next, we'll go to the block 2. That is about the straight line we have. Or else, you see whatever the example problems are there for the area of the triangle, area of the finding the volume of tetrahedron. Directly we'll go to block 2 in next class. That is about straight line, various forms of the equation of a straight line. So why? Because block 1 should be completed in offline classes only. Then we can go for block 2, online class this.